Today's legal term is prosecutorial discretion. And what that means, it refers to a prosecutor's power on such matters as whether or not to bring criminal charges, the nature of charges, guilty plea agreements, and sentence recommendation. What does that all mean, Mitch?
Well, you know, we do have a lot of discretion. I think one of the cases that I remember when Bill Ritter was the DA, we had a family who had a Rottweiler who had bitten a child once and then later actually killed their little boy. And he could have charged the family. He could have charged the parents, and he chose not to. He said, you know, what good would that do? I mean, he used his discretion, and technically they violated the law, but he thought, you know, that would be something that they had lost their child. So he used his discretion and didn't bring those charges. But we have discretion when it comes to adding charges, habitual criminal charges, for instance. We don't always bring those, but we can. We have the discretion to bring those or not bring those, depending on the circumstances. We have a lot in charging. We have a lot in when we plea bargain a case. We bring things down to what we think are fair sometimes, what we think a fair sentence could be. We sometimes give somebody a range. We lower the sentencing range with a cap, that type of thing. All of those things are within our discretion. And you know, I really leave that to my prosecutors. I try to hire people that are reasonable, that are fair, that know their cases, work hard on their cases, and do the right thing in court. And a lot of that is our discretion. And I think that to a degree why the Denver DA's office is respected as well as it is across the state is because we exercise that discretion well. We're good at it.
And looking at people as humans, and each
Sometimes,
case is different.
or really bad humans.
Right.
It just depends.
Exactly.
It depends.